You can't just cast actors separately. You have to cast dynamics, and that's something that I learned, in reading people on 500 Days of Summer. Even though ultimately we cast Joe and Zoe just by virtue of their body of work, but how they interact with each other is another kind of character, and that, with Andrew and Emma, I think we were really. That paid off in a huge way. With Joe and Zoe, it paid off in a huge way. It's a difficult thing to legislate, to talk about, because you just know it when you see it, and those actors feel that chemistry, and that's something that can't be invented or forced. It just has to happen naturally, and that's not just romantic chemistry. That's the chemistry between Sally Field and Andrew Garfield. That's the chemistry between Dane and Andrew. That's the chemistry between Jeffrey Aaron and Joe and Joseph Gordon-Levitt. I mean, it's like all those dynamics are really important, and I'd like to. You only get so much by reading an actor doing a monologue or doing a scene with some other actor or the casting director off camera. You can get a lot from that, certainly. But I think, it's like, George Lucas, when he was doing Star Wars, like put all these people together and moved groups and changed groups because he was going for a certain dynamic. And that's a really complex but important part about generating a certain kind of realistic experience for the audience when you're making a film.